This homemade shampoo contains one traditional African ingredient that most people have never thought of using on their hair. But ever since I used this shampoo, my hair has felt so soft and it has helped to soothe my itchy scalp. This shampoo can help fight against dandruff and any hair issues you may have. You will also notice that when you use it, your natural hair, the curls on your natural hair will just keep popping up. So let me show you how I make it. So I use very simple ingredients to make the shampoo. I use the African black soap to make this shampoo. So I'll be cutting just a tiny slice of this African black soap. As you can see, this is the raw African black soap, but you can also use those that have been refined like Dudu Osun. Whatever you find that is African black soap, you can use. So I'm going to chop this into tiny slices because I want it to dissolve in the water very fast. So that 1 cup of water you saw me putting in the pot, I'm going to pour it into this African black soap in a dish, and then I will just let it be in that water for some time until all the soap dissolves, and then I'll continue to prepare the shampoo. So this African black soap is very good, guys, because it foams very well, and then it also does very well as a cleanser for your scalp and your hair. It cleanses out all the dirt out of it. But there is one thing that is makes people shy away from it. It's because African black soap can be harsh, very harsh, can really strip your hair of uh, all the oils. And so to make it, I have there's one tip that I'm going to show you at the end of this when I make it to help you uh, reduce the harshness of the African black soap. So watch the video to the end so you can get that tip and not miss that benefit. Now the next ingredient is this African secret that I'm showing you here. This is the bark of a plant, the bark of the plant. It's not really like a tree, it's like a shrub. So they remove the bark. It is called Nkui in Cameroon. Here it's mostly used by the Bamileke tribe. So this ingredient is the main ingredient of this shampoo. I've never seen it anywhere, guys. I just discovered this and I wanted to share with you. So this spice is called Nkui. I'm going to write the name in the description of this video if you are interested, and even the scientific name, I'm going to put it in the description. So this is also very good for hair. When I tried it, I really appreciated it, and I'm going to be using this shampoo in the next couple of months. I really hope to continue using it. It is really good for the hair, guys. So I also add precaise. As you can see, this four corner spice that's also common here in Cameroon is also very good for the hair. If you want to learn about it, just watch the last video I uploaded on this channel. I really showed how I use this to soothe my itchy scalp. So I prefer to add it into this shampoo so that it also helps, because my scalp has some issues these days. I don't know what is happening. It is just itching. It is not dirty. Even when I just wash it after a day or two, it starts itching really seriously. So I decided to add it into this shampoo and to see how my hair feels in the days that follow my wash day. Hope really after I used it, I really felt much better because I did this a few days ago, and since then my scalp has, it's been long, my scalp has been quiet and my hair feels so good. So I'm preparing this. I'm going to, as I prepare it, as you observe it, let me be explaining the benefits of these ingredients I'm using in the shampoo. So uh, precursor, as you see me grinding, is useful for any scalp issues. That's why I add it. Then the African black soap is a cleanser, and then our Nkui, our Nkui is very good for detangling. It makes the hair to feel soft, so it really moisturizes the hair too, because it's gluey. It's like okra, voila, like okra. If you know okra, Nkui is even more than that. So it has a lot of slick in it. As you are going to see me doing it, it really has a lot of slick, so it gives the hair, it nourishes the hair and gives it that soft texture whenever you shampoo. You know, the regular shampoos that we have from the stores will do well to cleanse. You have shampoos that will really cleanse the hair, but they usually leave the hair feeling dry and brittle. So this particular shampoo is really different from that. Since I started using it, I feel the difference. It keeps my hair feeling very soft and manageable. I really enjoyed my hair after I used this shampoo. So now guys, I'm using after adding the precursor into the African black soap, which has really completely dissolved, I'm putting the Nkui, the slices of Nkui, into the mixture. Then I'm going to squeeze it to remove the juice, to take out the juice. The reason why I steeped it is because it's hard, so you need to steep it like this in hot water for it to release all the juice from it, so you can easily squeeze and take out all the juice and then get that slick that we need, and to soften, moisturize the hair to make it soft and manageable, and not just strip, so that the shampoo doesn't just strip off our hair and leave it dry. So this is it guys. What do you think about it? It's not easy to squeeze because it's really slippery, but I try as much as possible to apply, put it inside the mixture, and then you just mix, and you get a very sticky, slimy texture. It's a little bit heavy. It depends on how much your hair is. You can make more of this if you want, it to, because I realized after making it that I almost didn't have enough for my hair. It wasn't really that much, but I managed it, and I could wash my hair. You know, my hair is a little bit long now, so it really needs a lot of this shampoo to shampoo it, to keep it clean. So if you need more, you can use more. You see, I didn't use everything because it is really thick. The shampoo was really thick. So if you need more, you want it to be lighter, you want the thing to be lighter, you can add more water and use more of the Nkui. So this is the chaff left of it, guys. It's not difficult. So that's what I have left. I decided not to use it. I didn't want to just spoil the ingredients. What is left, you can store it in the freezer. That is where I took mine. That pack you saw at the beginning was from the freezer. You don't keep it out like that because it's moist. It is not dry. So I prefer to keep it in the freezer so that it doesn't get mold, or it doesn't get bad. So for you to keep all the benefits, store it in a freezer or in the fridge for a few days, maybe like 5 days or so, but in the fridge it will not last long. It's more beneficial in the freezer, or if you don't have that, you could just put yours out and let it dry and be so that you can keep it for long. But then you need to steep it maybe overnight, because it will be hard for it to really get soft. In order for you to bring out the juice from it, you have to steep it in hot water overnight. So now what I do is that I passed the mixture in a cheesecloth. You can use a sieve. I just thought that since mine was so thick, it will not pass through a sieve. That's why I prefer to use my cheesecloth to take out all. And if you know me, you will know that I don't like any particles on my hair, because it takes me so much time to bring out those particles. So anything natural that I do, I make sure to use a cheesecloth or a good sieve to sieve out everything. So guys, this is the work that I'm doing, and it's not easy. You just take your time and be patient to bring it out. At the end of the day, I had to give up because it wasn't coming out easily. Most of the juice had come out, so I had to give up and leave it like that. As I said, this mixture was barely sufficient for my hair, but it did the job. I'm satisfied with it. At the end of it, my hair felt really clean. I really washed the hair. All the dirt, particles, everything came out, so it was fine. Okay, so guys, after that I will go ahead to put everything in the applicator bottle, and then I will show you how I apply it briefly, because so far the video is already long. If you know me, I don't like long videos. Even when I go watching YouTube videos, I prefer those that show everything quickly, because I'm a busy person. I don't have the time to be watching long videos, so I don't like making long videos. I feel like everybody is like me. Just let me know guys in the comment section what you think about this. Are you going to make it? So guys, I promised telling you about a tip to help reduce the harshness of the black soap. So this is it. The secret is lemon, or if you have any other thing that is acidic, you can just use. Given the quantity of shampoo that I've made, I want to use like a teaspoon. Since I didn't have a teaspoon on hand, I had to measure it here like this. This is just the quantity I add to the mixture. So I'm going to pour that little amount of lemon. You can get all these ingredients in African shops wherever you are, even in America, in Europe. I think there are African shops around. You can get these things. You can just ask for Nkui, you can ask for prekese, and you will get them, I'm sure. So I'll be applying it, and then I'll show you how my hair looks like. If you've watched the video so far, thank you so much. I'm grateful. Please give it a thumbs up, because if you watched so far, you must have gotten some value from the video. Don't forget to like, share the video with anybody who has these hair issues like dandruff, itchy scalp, anybody who may need it. It will help them. And leave a comment in the comment section. Please leave a comment. I need this comment. Just tell me if you like the video, or if there's any question you want to ask. I answer all comments in the comment section. I always read the comments and I answer every little comment. Thank you so much. If you've not yet subscribed and you've been watching my video for some time, please just take a minute and subscribe to the channel. It won't cost you anything. It's a way of saying thank you and encouraging me to keep producing more videos like this, to share with you tips and tricks to grow your hair longer. Thank you so much once more. This is my scalp, as clean as you can see it. My transitioning hair scalp.